Hey, what is going on, everybody? I got out of work a couple hours ago and stopped by the gym, and I was picking things up, putting them down.
I lift things up and put them down. Excuse me? I lift things up and put them down.
You know, the usual. And realized it's kind of rainy, kind of a dreary day today, so it's a little bit depressing, but you know what made things a lot better? Another ball python shipment. That's right, baby. Woo! Can you dig it? Now I need to get on out of here before these people think I'm crazy. Let's go. Stack this one right here too. Yeah. Make sure the babies are safe. Get them fastened up. Put a little seat belt around them. That's right, fellas. Safety first. We're out of here. This is what I'm talking about. It's absolutely yucky out today. Disgusting. Oh. Can't wait to get home and unbox these snakes. So I got home with the snakes and I was going out back to check on my rats before I opened the boxes, and I caught this turtle out in the yard laying eggs. See if we can get a closer look at her without her taking off. Yeah, she was just out here dropping eggs, and I have no idea about turtles. I don't know what kind of turtle this is. She's pretty though. She's got yellow head. Yeah, I don't want to disturb her too much, so we can get a little bit of a closer look. Pretty cool. Like I said, I saw her drop the eggs off. I don't know how many eggs they lay, but I assume she's just going to bury them right there and take off. Thought that was pretty cool. Thought I'd share it with you. Yes, so I came back about 30 minutes later and she buried the eggs and she's gone. I'm so happy to see this. This is my female het sunset, and I never caught an ovulation with her, but she definitely is gonna lay pretty soon. You can tell the way she's laying sideways and all uncomfortable looking, like, get these eggs out of me. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Well, go ahead and lay them, mama. Okay, so I made it inside with the boxes. Finally, the unboxing video you've been waiting for. I'm sure you're tired of hearing me crying about the rain outside. Ooh, it's wet, it's drippy out here, boo-hoo. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to opening. This first one is from Stephen Hartman. Alrighty. And just some tape. That should be pretty easy to get off of there, huh, Jamie?
Hopefully.
Alright. It's never as easy as it looks, which is probably a good thing. You don't need the snake getting out crawling around on you. I should just bring out scissors, just start cutting these bags. And it's not like we reuse the bags. We don't need them after this. Yeah. This is my dog Cheyenne over here. I don't know if I introduced you to her. Say hello, Cheyenne.
Hello, Shy.
Shy. Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't do a whole lot. She's getting up there in age. She likes her naps. Oh, yeah, man. All right, so this is a fire pied. This is a female.
Very pretty girl.
Yeah, so the reason I got the fire pied, I was thinking of breeding my Axanthic pied to her, which I showed you this girl this guy in a recent video unboxing I did for my car.
Very pretty.
That's the Axanthic. He's in deep shed right now. So I was thinking of breeding the fire to the Axanthic and get all pieds, and then they would be het for Axanthic, and breeding the babies back to this to make some fire pied Axanthics. Because I really want to keep that washed out look and have it just lighten up over time without browning out. So yeah, it's either gonna be to him or possibly to my Orange Dream male.
Ooh.
Yes, this is my Orange Dream male, and then we can make some Fire Orange Dream pieds. And
Very pretty boy.
this guy's been to work. He's bred with a couple of my Yellow Belly pieds, so hopefully we get some Orange Dream Yellow Belly pieds this season. So yeah, that's my thoughts with that.
It seems so white against the brown at the table, too.
Yeah, put him
Almost
there.
looks pure white. Very pretty boy.
All right, let me put
Girl.
him away, and we'll get to the one I'm super excited about. Whoo! I can't wait for this next one. Get that box out of here. Oh man, the anticipation of this one. I've been looking forward to this one for some time now. This might be my favorite new ball python.
I'm excited.
If,
I don't even know what this one is.
Yeah, this is a male. If he looks as good in person as he did on the internet.
Guess we'll find out.
Yes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is that it? And what is this? Leopard ivory? What do you think that is? Some kind of soap or something?
Looks like it.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but
Interesting.
I'll look at that a little bit better here in a second. But thank you for whatever that is.
Extra gifts. We love it.
Yes, indeed. So, all right. Oh, this one's got a zip tie.
Oh, those ones are more
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna deal with it. Just cut it without cutting my finger off.
Please don't do that.
Yeah, I have a limited amount of those.
Yeah, unfortunately, we're not lizards. We don't just grow limbs back.
Yet.
Yet.
One day. Okay. Oh, hey buddy, you ready to come?
Oh, he was
yes.
really ready. Ooh.
Oh yes, okay. This is the one I've been waiting for.
He's like, get me
All
out
right.
of here.
So we got here is a pastel Mojave Yellow Belly Krypton Het Clown. Yeah, that's a powerhouse right there.
He's gorgeous.
That's the one. This is the one I'm talking about right here.
Very
All right,
pretty.
so in case you're not familiar with the Krypton, it's basically, so this is a cryptic clown. It's everything you produce with this, if you breed it to a clown, is either going to be Krypton or it's going to be clown. And it's Het Desert Ghost, and I have a Het Desert Ghost clown female to go with this male, so should be pretty exciting.
Big plans.
Yes. Here, let's take it from down here, get a better look.
He's gorgeous.
Yes, I really like that one. I'll put the fire pied next to him so you can get a look at him also. Her.
Wow. Very pretty.
Cool, huh?
Very pretty babies.
All right, guys. Well, as always, thanks for checking out my video. And if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.